Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on super thanks, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD. So let's start the top one approach with weekly time frames. So in weekly, we are, I think, starting the downtrend because these previous lows and the previous highs are all broken. Okay, so these two lows are broken, and this rare blue candle also is eaten by this red candle, and new high was never made. Okay, so this new high was not broken by this previous blue candle. So in weekly, we can see that the momentum has weakened and we're gonna go down. So coming back to daily chart now, in daily we are taking a pullback. Okay, so this is the start of a new collapse. Collapse means trend reversal. You can see this was your double word head and shoulder, sorry. Yeah, this is your head and shoulder. This is the break line, neckline, which is broken, and blah blah blah. So different people have different terminology to explain all this, but the point is collapse has started. Okay, trend reversal has started. This is your first move, then this is your pullback, and then you're gonna go down. Okay, so if I come back to 4 hour, in 4 hour you can see we have crossed above the EMI, but 4 hour you could just use your fib levels. It's a long downtrend, it was, and then you had your double bottom. You can see this candle, this candle. So this did not break this low, so this was a double bottom. So we went up, short term trend reversal. Use your fib levels in the downtrend, and it might continue going up to maybe 1700. Okay, I'm expecting a 78% pullback in Euro USD. That's my opinion only. Okay, because if I come back to daily chart and you see here, so daily is again from here till here. That's your pullback. So either you can draw the fib levels in daily chart. I will prefer daily chart. Okay, so from top to bottom and then pullback. So far we have taken 50% pullback. It might carry on going down until 78% as well, or it might carry on going down as well. Okay, as per me, I'm expecting more pullback up to 78%, then we will carry on going down. So make your mind accordingly. You should be ready, and let me see if we had any let me draw the lines for first candle, and then this is your second candle. This is it, right? So the price has to come into this window. Okay, so the price still has not come into this window. This is your what zone? I don't know what zone you call it, but that's the zone. Okay, so the price has to come into this zone and then reject it, and then red candle has to form, has to break below this line to continue the downtrend. Okay, so this is why I think that the price will touch 1700 in euro. That's my logic. So the price has to come into this window and then break below the window with the engulfing red candle and then continue going down. Okay, that's a swing trade for you. Easy, free money. We know that the downtrend has started, and I have given you this zone as well, that the price will come into this zone and that will push. Then it will reject it and will continue going down. Okay, so we are not in the uptrend in euro until this previous high is broken, which will not happen. So look for shorts, and analysis is mainly based on daily chart because this is a very good setup. I can see downtrend, pullback, then go down again. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.